Hello everyone and welcome to the course sheet. Today we are gonna learn about the four syntax of HTML. The first one is a doc type HTML, the second one is the HTML, third one is the head, fourth one is the body. So what is these syntax? So first is a doc type HTML. So why we use the doc type HTML? Basically doc type HTML defines the HTML5 language. So because in previous versions of HTML we write number of lines to define HTML, but in HTML5 we just write one syntax to define HTML5, which is doc type HTML. Now the second one is HTML. Now HTML is root of the web page. Okay, means whatever we are gonna write, we are going to write in between the HTML syntax. Now the second one, head. Now in head basically uses for the title of the website or something another other syntaxes. And body, the body is used for the visible pages, means whatever you see on browser, the whichever website you see, so anything you see on the web browser, the code, all this coding right in between the body syntax. Okay, and this is the structure of how we are going to use in every website or every web pages. So keep it in mind, this is the order of how to write you the code of HTML. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching guys.